Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to do something really cool. We're going to crack the code of the entire universe by exploring the master blueprint for everything that exists, the periodic table. So I want you to imagine something. Picture a huge library with millions and millions of books. But here's the catch. There are no sections, no alphabetical order, nothing. Bilkul ek chaotic mess, right? Well, that's pretty much the problem scientists faced with all the different elements. So, how did they bring order to all this cosmic chaos? Well, the solution starts with one simple, super powerful rule, the atomic number. Now, what's that? सोचो कि ये हर element के लिए एक unique ID card जैसा है. You see, every atom has a center called the nucleus. और इस nucleus के अंदर, you have these tiny, positively charged particles called protons. The number of those protons, that is the atomic number. And here's the magic part. अगर आप सिर्फ एक proton का number change कर दें, you get a completely different element. That's the ultimate sorting rule. So, using just that one simple rule, scientists were able to create the ultimate cheat sheet for all of chemistry, the periodic table. ये वो जगह है जहाँ हर element को उसका सही घर मिलता है. And here it is, our cosmic library, all perfectly organized. Think of this table as our map. And today, we're going to learn exactly how to read it. Let's dive in. All right, let's start with the very first level of organization. See these horizontal rows, the ones going from left to right? You can think of these like the shelves in our library. In chemistry, इनको हम periods कहते हैं. Now, the most important thing to remember here is the direction. जैसे आप एक sentence को left से right पढ़ते हैं, बिल्कुल वैसे ही. As you move across a period, the atomic number increases one by one. So, for example, you start with hydrogen at number 1, then go across to helium at number 2. Then you drop to the next row, and you have lithium at number 3, beryllium at 4, and it just keeps on going. So, as you can see in this table, there are 7 periods in total. यानी हमारी library में 7 shelves हैं. But here's an interesting thing. Just like real library shelves, they don't all hold the same number of books. देखो, the first period is a short period with just 2 elements. फिर जैसे-जैसे आप नीचे आते जाते हैं, the periods get longer and longer, holding way more elements. Okay, so if the rows are our shelves, what about the columns going up and down? Well, think of these vertical columns as the genres of our library. You know, like sci-fi, mystery, or fantasy. यहाँ पर आपको ऐसे elements मिलेंगे जिनकी personalities एकदम एक जैसी होती हैं. And we call these groups. Now listen up, because this is super important. All the elements in one vertical column, in one group, behave in very similar ways. They're basically like a family. अब आप सोचेंगे, why do they act like a family? It's because they all have the exact same number of electrons in their outermost layer, or what we call a shell. और यही outer electrons decide करते हैं कि एक element दूसरे elements के साथ कैसे react करेगा. And that is the real magic of the periodic table. It lets us predict how an element is going to behave. Okay, let's make this real with some examples you see every day. Take group 1. इसमें आपको मिलेगा sodium, or Na, which is part of your everyday table salt. Now jump over to group 17. वहाँ have chlorine, or Cl, the stuff used to keep swimming pools clean. And way over on the far right in group 18, you've got the noble gases. इनमें शामिल है helium, or He, which is what makes party balloons float. See? Different families with their own similar jobs. All right, so we've got our shelves and our genres, but what about special editions? You know those books in the library that are basically the same story, लेकिन उनका cover different है या शायद उनमें कुछ extra pages हैं? Well, in chemistry, we have something just like that, and we call them isotopes. So an isotope is basically just a heavier or lighter version of the very same element. The number of protons, the atomic number, is exactly the same. इसीलिए, the element itself doesn't change. It's still carbon or it's still hydrogen. But the number of neutrons is different. Neutrons are those neutral particles also inside the nucleus. जब उनका number change होता है, तो element का total weight, या जिसे हम mass number कहते हैं, वो बदल जाता है. Just look at this comparison right here. The element's identity and its atomic number, दोनों में same रहते हैं. The only difference is that mass number. So please याद रखें, the proton count never changes, so the element's identity is safe. सिर्फ neutrons का number बदलता है और उससे उसका total weight यानी mass number change हो जाता है.
Okay, you've learned about periods, groups, and isotopes. That's a lot of info. So अब वक्त है एक quick, fun knowledge check का. Let's see what you've learned. Are you ready?
First question, nice and easy. How many periods are there in the periodic table? Think about it for a second.
And the answer is 7. Yes, bilkul sahi. There are 7 of those horizontal rows, the periods, that run from left to right. Awesome job if you got that right.
All right, question number 2. Group 18 elements are known as what? Are they A, halogens, B, alkali metals, or C, noble gases?
The correct answer is C, noble gases. Yes, ये वो gases हैं जैसे हमने बात की थी, like helium, जो हम party balloons में use करते हैं. Fantastic work.
And now for our final challenge. Isotopes have the same atomic number, but a different what? Is it A, the number of protons, B, the mass number, or C, the element symbol?
And the answer is B, mass number. Absolutely. Great job remembering that. याद रखिए protons हमेशा same रहते हैं. सिर्फ neutrons बदलते हैं, and that's what makes the mass number different. You guys are acing this.
All right, let's do a super quick summary of everything we talked about. So, periods are those horizontal rows. Groups handle vertical columns, जहाँ सारे elements एक family की तरह behave करते हैं. And finally, isotopes are just those special variations of a single element. So there you have it, your ultimate cheat sheet for the periodic table. So, please remember, the periodic table is so much more than just a boring chart on a classroom wall. ये एक map है, एक secret code है, and even a storybook for our entire universe. Now that you know the basic rules of how to read it, the real question I have for you is, what other secrets and patterns are you going to discover inside it?